In July of this year, Professional Plating in Brillion, Wisconsin installed a new epoxy ECOAT line from Therma-Tron-X. Recently, the products finishing team took a visit to the top shop to attend an open house to celebrate the recent expansions.
At Professional Plating, we've always reinvested ahead of when we needed to. We've never been a company that I think customers would see potentially thinking that we were the cheapest. We're a full complement job shop coater. We do barrel plating, zinc plating, acrylic coating, epoxy coating, and powder coating. We need to have a lot of repeatability in our system, and the equipment has to operate at a very high level. Metal finishing, I think, is somewhat maybe misunderstood at times. I think as a job shop, we don't get involved often enough, early enough. I think we work really hard at being there for our customer. From an ECOAT standpoint of view, our epoxy ECOAT machine gets a heavy use, about 80 hours of scheduled production a week. Lots of uses, whether it be recreationally, lawn and garden, automotive, things like that. And machines about 30% larger racking, additional tankage, oil minder controls, autochemical feeds. Just really excited about where this machine can take our ECOAT into the future for 20, 25 years from now. Again, from a business perspective, the epoxy ECOAT market has changed dramatically over the last couple of years. Put ourselves in a position, instead of running a machine that was 30 years old, that still ran to the day we stopped it, by being able to now go to potentially an 8-foot long part, more parts per rack, better rinsing, better cleaning, better throughput, and at the same time have a machine that was built into the future to meet needs. We're strictly a job shop. We don't punch, weld, stamp, or form anything. So across our entire company, we've got 10,000 parts for 380 different customers. So this machine also has a lot of flexibility that will help that in terms of size and width and weight and things like that. So driving us forward, we had capitalized about $20 million of plating equipment since 2015. And this now sets us up very well by putting the ECOAT machine on a very much of a leading edge, and we're excited on where the existing customers will see us go, as well as new opportunities.